To a more somber scene now, a candlelight vigil was held overnight outside the Supreme Court days after the decision to overturn Roe versus Wade. So far, 8 states have outlawed abortion and 11 no longer have a single clinic to perform the procedure. The focus is now turning to abortion pills, which make up more than half of terminated pregnancies. Colorado passed a law this year to protect access to abortion and reproductive care. Since the court's ruling, many communities are worried about what other measures the Supreme Court may take on next. Denver 7's Jessica Crawford spoke to the LGBTQ+ community about some of their fears.
In a sea of rainbows and celebration, there's an undercurrent of worry on some people's minds.
I, along with a lot of my friends and family, are just devastated by the Supreme Court ruling.
Attorney Ryan Payton says it's a decision that doesn't only impact heterosexual cisgender women.
I think it's important to keep in mind that members of the LGBTQ community do access abortions, do access abortion care. Queer women, non-binary folks, trans men all utilize abortion care.
As more pregnant people may have to travel out of their own states to obtain abortions, the costs add up. The procedure can cost anywhere from $450 to $600 plus travel fees. At the same time, LGBTQ+ people disproportionately struggle with poverty, according to UCLA.
A lot of people in this community already face a lot of trouble with jobs and housing and a lot of discrimination. So I think, not giving them that access would just further diminish their hope.
In the state of Colorado, abortions remain legal. As Pride celebrations continue throughout the month, people's minds weigh heavily on the rights that have been gained over time and those that have been lost. In Denver, Jessica Crawford, Denver 7.